Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last video for 2023. The last couple of videos I've put out there to build up for what's to come in 2024, but I still haven't forgotten the small traders.
Right guys, so this is our last video before Christmas. I thought I'd just motivate you. I just paid out myself $65,000 as I said in the last video. We pulled over 100,000 trading stocks and flipping stocks, and I shared this screenshot with my Patreon. And basically what I wanted to do is just inspire you in this video, because I think we're lacking inspiration lately. And this here is, of course, what 2 months of holding stocks can get you is, you know, good sums of money. This is half of what I made, guys. I just took half of it out for the last 2 months, and I just wanted to spend it on myself. So with that being said, this has nothing to do with today's video. Today's video is on futures, scalping. But, you know, money's money, and I think everybody needs some motivation going into 2024. With that being said, smash that like button and let's get right into today's video. So, ladies and gents, let's get right into today's video. As always, what we're going to do is we're going to pick the US Tech 100 indices. Now, this here is the NASDAQ. It's a representation of NASDAQ. And I'm trading pre-market, so things will be slow. The last couple of videos, which I'll leave in the description of this video, were being traded during market open. Now we're going to do pre-market. So first thing first, guys, we're going to jump to 4 hours. And straight away, we're going to map out support resistance. Now, when I say resistance, I'm looking at red candles. When I say support, I'm looking at green. So here is how we identify resistance. In this case, on the 4 hours, we're going to pick this wick as resistance, which is 15,766. We're right at it. The wick is basically this line right here. You get a candle, this is a candle, and then this is the wick. So the wick is used as resistance if there isn't a body near it. So a body is this will be used as resistance. But in this case there isn't, right? There's just this wick and also this body. So it's actually matching exactly where I place my line. So let's now jump right onto 30 minutes. We're actually right at resistance now. Okay, here is resistance. This is 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So we're gonna open 2 contracts and then 15 points sell, stop loss. Okay, hold on, that was quick. So we just opened it. Now we're gonna add 15 points to this as well. Hold on, what happened here? 15, 15, and 15. Okay, we're gonna go with a sell. Okay, there goes 4 contracts. There goes 6 contracts. We're selling here basically, because we identified that we were at resistance on the 4 hours. And if we go to the hourly, we can also see that this here is a representation of resistance, this over here. So what do we have? How many contracts open so far? 6 contracts open. Okay. Now, to some people, they will say, oh, this is reversal. But you have to also understand that the market is downtrending currently. Just because short term is telling you one thing, but long term is telling you it wants to drop. You see this line right here? This here is a downtrend. But there's a lot of wicks in the process. But still a downtrend. So let's go to 3 minutes. We're gonna open another short sell position. Now you see this candle is going to just drop, and we'll be closing our trades. So I'm gonna just narrow it down. I don't know why it has 6 here. It's slow and loading up today. Maybe my internet is bad. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so we basically have 10 contracts open on a sell side. I have my limit order, my stop loss in place. So I have my limit order for these. I don't have any to edit it for this one. We're going to put limit order at 20 points. That gives me $40 for each 2 contracts. Okay, let's see that drop. Here it goes, it's coming. Here's our P&L. So while this happens, I want to explain to you what I seen. Well, what I seen was, of course, on 4 hours we were at resistance. We identified that wick. We also identified that the market will not reverse from that level because it's about to drop further down. So right here is ideally where the reversal should initiate from. That's about 200 points drop for today, pullback. Okay, so if you see this video, then just understand. And basically we also understood it could go to this wick, which is right now where it's at. It's 15,729. We also understood it could go here. So the market will not reverse without testing the support levels. So let's go to 10 minutes now, see what's going on. We're up $50 on 10 contracts. We're trying to get $100 here plus in this trade. And this will happen because if this was to drop, it will need to come to at least 40 to 35, which is where I have my limit orders set in place. Okay, near the 40 levels, I have 10 contracts and 60 in total profit. Alright guys, so here we go. We're about to close our trades. I want to close this one with the furthest take profit. I just want to exit this one. Now you see how slow I was in taking profit. I could have been instant 100, but it didn't trigger. But I'm still confident because we're way far from the actual take profit or support level of 15,746. Here it goes. It's coming up again. We already secured $20. So this next trade will probably put us over 100 and something. So the limit order is going to get triggered at 1746, 15,747, 15,748, and 48. So here we go. 3 more points and we will trigger. And we're ahead of basically schedule because we have a lot of room to get out safely. So if not, I can exit here. I just took another 20. Here's another 25. Now you don't have to wait for the trade to trigger. Sometimes it doesn't, especially when it's a wick. I hate it when it's a wick. Nevertheless, here's our $100, and it's been slow, very slow. This is 15 minutes running. All right. Usually it will be quick when it's market open, but this shows you guys that I guess patience pays off, right? So that's all I wanted to do, guys. Now every video I post, there's something different and a different setup, but you know, keep the head up, scalp responsibly, trade and get out, and don't overdo it, because if you overdo it, you'll probably give back all your profits. Okay guys, that's me done. Look in the description for more details.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this live trading session. I'll see you guys next time. Look at the details of this video, the description for some resources. I'll see you in 2024. Bye.